What is the popular Mexican snack made from grilled corn on a stick, often topped with cheese and chili powder? Tamale, elote, tostada, empanada. The correct answer is elote. Which member of The Simpsons is often seen with a pacifier? Lisa, Bart, Maggie, Marge. The correct answer is Maggie. Out of all the natural hair colors in the world, which one is statistically the rarest? Blonde, black, red, brown. The correct answer is red. Which dog character was created by cartoonist Charles Schulz? Scooby-Doo, Snoopy, Pluto, Goofy. The correct answer is Snoopy. If you're looking into a mirror that curves inward like the inside of a soup bowl, what type of mirror is it? Convex, concave, plane, spherical. The correct answer is concave. You're planning a magical trip through the breathtaking landscapes of Scandinavia. First stop, the stylish and history-rich capital of Sweden. But hold on, before you board that virtual plane, can you guess which city you'll be landing in? Stockholm, Helsinki, Prague, Oslo. The correct answer is Stockholm. What is a volcano called when it's not erupting but could in the future? Extinct, dormant, sleeping, active. The correct answer is dormant. Most national flags are rectangles, but which country is the only one in the world with a flag that isn't a four-sided shape at all? Switzerland, Nepal, Vatican City, Bhutan. The correct answer is Nepal. Which city is the largest in the world by land area? Tokyo, New York City, Beijing, London. The correct answer is New York City. According to Fortune magazine, who is widely regarded as the most recognizable drag queen in the world? Divine, Trixie Mattel, RuPaul, Bianca Del Rio. The correct answer is RuPaul. How many units must a music record sell to earn platinum certification from the RIA? 250,000, 500,000, 750,000, 1 million. The correct answer is 1 million. The Bundestag serves as the national parliament of which country? Austria, Germany, Switzerland, Belgium. The correct answer is Germany. What type of carbohydrates are digested slowly because they contain long chains of sugar molecules? Simple carbs, soluble carbs, complex carbs, fibrous. The correct answer is complex carbs. What strong tissue connects the calf muscle to the heel bone? Quadriceps tendon, Achilles tendon, patella ligament, flexor tendon. The correct answer is Achilles tendon. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Stapes, ulna, fibula, radius. The correct answer is stapes.